Motherson is a globally diversified manufacturing company with a strong focus on the automotive sector, operating across 40 plus countries. It supplies critical components like wiring harnesses, mirrors, polymer modules, lighting systems, and precision parts to leading global OEMs while steadily expanding into non automotive segments. On the long-term monthly chart, Motherson is showing a strong structural setup. The stock has been holding support near 80, a level that previously acted as resistance since late 2017 and has now flipped into a key demand zone. Price continues to move within an ascending channel, forming higher lows, which indicates steady accumulation and a gradual uptrend. Motherson International is officially shifting from an auto parts giant to a global tech powerhouse. In their latest Q3 FY26 results, the company reported its highest ever quarterly revenue, driven by an explosive 75% growth in their consumer electronics division and a 41% surge in aerospace. Chairman Vivek Chand Sehgal made it clear they aren't just waiting for the EV transition, they are diversifying into high margin sectors like semiconductors and medical devices with a strict rule to only enter businesses that can deliver a massive 40% return on capital employed. The future looks even bigger with 12 new greenfield plants set to go live by the second half of 2027. Motherson is aggressively expanding its footprint in emerging markets like India and Morocco while simultaneously closing major global acquisitions like Nexans Auto Electric and Yutaka Gaiken. Backed by strong partnerships with global giants like Airbus and Boeing, Motherson is positioning itself as a diversified global manufacturing and technology player. For investors, the real story is the Vision 2030 roadmap, which aims to turn this Indian multinational into a diversified industrial titan. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe to stay updated with the markets.